This evening, Iowa's teachers are facing more restrictions on what they can say in the classroom. It is now illegal for Iowa teachers to discuss gender identity and sexual orientation. That ban starts in kindergarten and lasts through 6th grade. Governor Reynolds signed that bill into law today, which takes effect immediately. All Democrat legislators oppose the law, while supporters call it a win for parent rights. It's an extensive law. Here's what it does. The law mandates school officials must notify parents if they learn kids want to change their pronouns. The new law also bans all books depicting sex acts from school libraries. However, the Bible, Torah, and Quran are exempt from that. Schools must also post a list of every book within their library and allow for parents to request they may be removed. And schools would need parental approval before giving surveys to students on topics such as mental health issues, sex, and political affiliation. Democratic and LGBTQ advocacy groups are outraged. They say they're worried about the health and well-being of what they view as a crusade against LGBTQ students. Iowa Safe Schools calls the law anti-child, anti-parent, and anti-educator, and say, with the stroke of a pen, Governor Reynolds has punctuated her crusade against LGBTQ youth this session. Iowa House Democrat Lindsey James is saying for all the LGBTQ plus kids and families who feel targeted by the governor and her allies, this session, we see you and we love you. Outside those groups, the Iowa State Education Association is disappointed in Reynolds' decision to not veto the bill. The president of the group says Reynolds has cemented laws that are designated to intimidate, censor, and harm the educators and students who work in and attend our public schools. These are not the only laws opponents to Reynolds' legislative efforts say targets today's LGBTQ students. Reynolds signed a bill restricting which bathrooms transgender students can use. She also signed a bill that bans people younger than 18 from receiving gender-affirming medical care. Iowa Republicans and Governor Reynolds had a busy legislative session. You can find more new laws and learn how they affect you and your family by heading to the We Are Iowa Plus on Roku and Amazon Fire TV.